Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can set the font size for your emails on Gmail really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your Gmail inbox. And what you want to do, guys, is start a new message by clicking on Compose here in the top left. And that is going to open up that window here. So enter the recipient's email address here, the subject below, and fill your email with text content below. So what you want to do, guys, is, for example, let's say you have a text with a font size like this. You may, for example, highlight the text, and after that, click on that arrow down icon here next to these double letters here, size. So what you want to do is switch to a small, normal, large, or huge font size. Let me switch to large, and as you can see, the text size has been changed. So you can do that individually for each message you craft. Alternatively, guys, you may head over to your Gmail inbox settings by clicking on that gear icon in the top right, and here inside your Gmail settings, what you want to do is switch to the general tab, and here down below you will see in a section or feature called default text size. So here you may set a default text size by clicking on that arrow down icon next to that T icon here, and decide whether you'd like to have a default large font, huge, small, or normal. So let me switch to large, and that is going to use that font size on default from now on, guys. So that's how you do it. Don't forget to save your changes here at the bottom, of course. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.